Are you interested in becoming a project management officer or PMO? It's a highly rewarding career with a growing job market. A PMO plays a crucial role in ensuring project success by providing governance, structure, and guidance to project teams. The main 5 roles of a PMO are resource management, project management, process management, governance, and strategic alignment. PMO and PM roles and responsibilities are different. While a PM focuses on project delivery, a PMO provides centralized support to all projects. To excel in a PMO role, you need to have skills like project management, leadership, communication, and problem solving. A career in PMO can be highly rewarding, with excellent growth opportunities and competitive salaries. To prepare for a PMO interview, research the company, practice your communication skills, and be ready to answer questions about your project management experience. The highest PMO salary is around $180,000 per year, depending on experience, location, and industry.